So Xiaomi is really shaking things up this year. Last year we had the Xiaomi 15 series in October and everyone expected the Xiaomi 16 series to follow, but guess what? Xiaomi decided to completely skip 16 and jump straight to the Xiaomi 17 series. And the reason is they literally admitted they want to catch up with Apple's naming. Yeah, you heard that right. That's why this year we're not only getting Xiaomi 17 and 17 Pro, but also a Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Exactly like Apple's naming order. Honestly, if they announce a 17 Air next, I won't even be surprised. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the things get really interesting. If you remember the Xiaomi 11 Ultra with that tiny little secondary display at the back, which was almost like 1.1 inches, well, the 17 Pro series is taking that idea and going all in. The entire rear camera module is now a massive secondary screen. It even wraps around the cameras, which is something we have usually seen in foldables. And yes, the Leica branding is still there, so photography is clearly one of their main focuses again this year. But to be honest, this secondary display on the back side of Xiaomi 17 Pro Max looks really great. The camera setup itself is stacked. We're looking at a 50 megapixel primary lens, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens. That's serious flagship level hardware, and the secondary display means you could technically use those rear cameras for selfies, making the front camera almost unnecessary. And there are some rumors claiming that Xiaomi might be ditching the selfie camera, or maybe they are going to take it under the display. Imagine having no punch hole on the display and just using those powerful rear shooters for everything. Speaking of displays, leaks says that Xiaomi 17 Pro will go with the flat panel this year instead of those slightly curved edges. But here's the wild part. The bezels might be just 1.1mm thin, which would make it the slimmest bezel smartphone in the world. The Pro is going to stay compact, while the Pro Max gets the larger size and of course that bigger rear display. Under the hood, the entire series is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and reports from China claims that this processor scored a crazy 3.8 million points on Antutu benchmark, which is about 40 to 41% jump in performance as compared to the last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite. So yeah, gaming, multitasking, battery efficiency, everything should feel much smoother this time. And about the battery, this is where things get confusing. Some reports suggest a 6000 milliamps of battery, while others say it's closer to 7000 milliamps. Either way, it's going to be massive. And 100 watts of fast wired charging, 50 watts of wireless charging. On top of that, the phone is rumored to feature IP69 water resistance and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is a step above the regular optical ones. So software-wise, Xiaomi is shipping the 17 series with HyperOS 3.2 right out of the box. They have made a bunch of design improvements and added fresh new features. Basically, they have copied the latest versions of iOS. And honestly, combined with that new Snapdragon chip, it's going to feel like an entirely new experience compared to the last year's 15 series. So that's all for now. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.